Hi, good day. Welcome to the Sunny Tube. Today I am going to discuss about extruded surfaces tool in SolidWorks. Please don't forget to click subscribe button.
To access the surface tools in SolidWorks, we can access it from Insert Surfaces or simply by right click on the toolbar here and choose Surfaces. In this tutorial I am going to show how to use the extruded surface tool. So let's create a sketch here. So to use the extruded surface tool, we just simply click on it and then you can see and choose the dimensions here. In direction 2 we can extrude the line into the second direction, and here we have a selected contours, so it can be a second method to extrude the lines. That's what I am going to show in the next lesson.